Hey, cowboy. I saw you coming, brother.
What's up, man?
Okay, we're at Palm Bay Regional Park.
Ron Lockwood with the pizza, RL Photography.
If you don't know this guy.
Yeah, I love my drone.
Mike, hey, Jamie.
You know Mitch.
Mitch, old guy in a drone.
Rod, Hot Rod from Daytona.
Oh, jeez. Daniel, drone worship.
Back to the sky. Queens, New York.
Didn't I see you on one stream?
Brad Austin, River City RVA.
Let's get the goggles boot up. And this is your IPV.
Mr. Ed. What do you think? You like it?
I like it. That seat's comfortable.
Oh yeah.
That's Viking Blood. That is official mead. That is the oldest known alcoholic beverage on the planet.
There you go, man. And you need a GoPro on that crown.
Right, I know.
Mount one.
Oh, I didn't bring that stupid hat, Ron.
Oh.
It's just like a regular hat, like Mitch has got, and then it has a GoPro mount on it, and the whole thing wants to flop.
I thought that was, when I saw that on your show, I thought it was the dumbest thing I'd ever
It is. $13.99, so you know how much the hat's worth, right? Let's see what it looks like from there. We're looking for a little spot we can do a little remembrance of Rick, Ron and I. This is a nice background.
Yeah. Here with my good friend Jim Boyd from Above and Beyond Drones, and we're here for the 2021 South Florida Drone Meetup. And today we'd like to take an opportunity to remember someone very special. The community, the family, the friends of Elk Grove, California, along with the drone community, lost someone very special, Mr. Rick Halbur. I don't know if that's too far away though. Pick up the audio.
We were on that side of Wawa. We did. We had to pull over here. But you called his phone just a second ago.
Oh, yeah, because you're in the same.
I said he's not seeing us.
Yep.
Is that what it was? We were waiting here for you.
Yeah, we were on that side.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm on the other side. I had to get my wallet out of my car.
Did you text?
Ron is trying to catch a sunset. What's it? Actually, the sunset is 7:30 and the sunrise is 7:30.
Same time.
Yeah.
I noticed that.
Okay, we're at the Wabasso Bridge.
What's up?
This is Carlos.
Good morning.
Me.
Come on, Ed.
Ed.
Buddy.
Oh, did you eat breakfast?
Yeah, we all got together.
Okay.
Had a big
Dan.
breakfast. What's up?
There's Mr. Rodney Bell. We got Mitch.
What's up?
There's Mr. Rodney Bell. We got Mitch.
Thank you. Hey, Ed.
Matt Cundiff.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Good to see you again.
We had a good time yesterday.
Yeah. This is Michael.
You haven't met Michael Blade yet?
No.
Well, I'm Michael Blade.
Jim Boyd.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
We have never met.
No. First time.
And yesterday was, you were here, was peaceful, no wind.
I know. I was in Fort Myers yesterday, and it was gorgeous. I'm like, I'm hoping it's like that. But you know what it is down here? You could be like this, and within 2 hours,
Yes.
it'll be like glass.
Yes.
And water. So.
Mike, night train.
Night train.
Rodney Bell.
You did great stuff. Yeah, there it is.
Mike. Mike Wright.
Mike Blade. What's up,
Mike
Mike?
Wright. Right. I heard Michael Wright was here too, was he? Michael Wright?
He's here. I haven't met him yet. We haven't gotten that far yet.
There's Ray. Ray Kelly.
Jim Boyd. All right, lad. Thanks. How you doing?
What's up, buddy? Oh, I see you brought your vest.
How's everything?
Good.
Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me.
No.
All right, now I gotta add you to the Facebook post. doing? Great to meet you, sir.
How you doing, Ron?
Good, good. Looking forward to meeting you today.
Yesterday was a whole lot quieter
Thanks
wind-wise.
for that link for that show that night, but that was the night I was on the road. You know, with the Ron Rick Halbur thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, he says the flights
Jim
were
Boyd.
cheap.
Nice to meet you, Jim. How you doing?
You know Bill Metro Drones?
Yes.
How's it going, man?
This is our first meeting, though, but
Okay.
he's on every goddamn channel, like Brian.
He supports more live shows and channels than anybody.
Yep.
He is the hero.
I make my way around.
He
Yes,
does.
you do.
He does. He's a good man. We hung out at Spit Up 2019.
So it gets rid of all the wind noise. So if we talk to the camera now. All right, so same kind of shot. Let's see how the audio is without the thing on. I don't think you can tell how windy it actually is, but when I pull these things off, it is windy. Jeez, I'm getting wet. That's how windy it is. I'm getting my feet are all wet. Wind's blowing, my hat's about to blow off. You probably can't even hear me now, so let me put this thing back on. Now they make these covers for all kinds of action cameras. So if you've got a GoPro 7, 8, 9, just check the link I have in the description and go type in on Amazon what GoPro you have and just type Windslayer and pick up one for yourself. Definitely a game changer.
Ken came up and introduced himself. That was nice.
Dan Billy's here.
Oh, that's cool. What is
That's
that?
a Johnnie Drone Flyer brought in. Johnnie Drone Flyer's granddaughter's here.
Jesus.
I get some hers, but Johnny was riding a few minutes ago. There we go.
Catch me on the mountain.
Let's call us back to the sky.
You had to drive across state to get here, right?
No, I'm in Palm Bay.
Okay. Why am I thinking you're?
I live here.
Okay. In fact, hold on. Hello, sir. Who are you? Where are you from, Mike? Wow. What's your channel name?
Michael Blade.
How long did it take you to get down here?
It was worth it, that was for sure.
Dennis. How are you, buddy? Good. I was going to get him. Casey. How you doing? What's up, brother?
Man, good to meet you. Jim, Mike.
Which Mike? Michael Wright. I knew you were here. So I kept calling Michael Blade, Michael Wright.
Mike Kelly, Mike Knight.
Take this. Burned it on the back. This is just a clear coat seal on it.
That is friggin' gorgeous. Mr. Bob Casey. He's been working on this for a while. Look at all the bullets.
Yeah, okay, he told me. I saw it last night.
I love it. I love it. Look at that detail.
I was going to put USMC below it, I thought.
Right now I'm building a 3-inch 8-pack.
Bob, they're loving that plaque.
Oh, are they?
They are just loving that plaque.
Well, I seen it on YouTube, made one, that's all. It's just something to keep busy hands.
I got one of these.
Oh, Mitch has got a brace.
I have, but mine gets so much jello in the camera.
It does. I don't
know
fly it
why.
for photography. I fly it just for fun.
Yeah.
I opened my passenger door and they just started flying.
I didn't see any.
Hopefully there's no winners flying.
No, I'm returning them. They're losers.
If they are, I'm going out in traffic to play Frogger for a minute.
The winners stay up.
Hey, it's Adrian and Lon.
I didn't know that was Adrian.
Just park next to anybody. It's all us.
Parked just right in front of somebody, really.
Yeah.
Brand spanking new.
More FPV, and all the quads you have, you're all FPV.
I am all
Did you bring them all, by the way?
Yeah, they're on. Of course. Of course. Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's the Evo 2 Pro 6K. So that's gonna do it. That's the way to do it.
It really is a badass.
It's $2,400 right here for everything I got. Well worth every penny of it.
This is Florida, brother. Oh, how are you? I'm doing all right with you. Good, so good to see you.
What's up, brother? Yeah, good to see you, man. Glad you guys made it.
London Hard made it.
How you doing, bro?
What's up, brother?
How you doing, bro? Look at
man.
that.
How you doing, man? I know. That's all right. Whose car is that? That's mine.
Oh, is it? Is that yours?
Yeah, that's the Matrice for us.
Wow.
These pucks connect to this antenna, which is the RTK, the separate one.
Sick, man. I've never seen one up close. Unreal.
You got your own T-shirt? What?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Yeah, where's everybody's t-shirt?
Hey, where's my T-shirt?
Oh no, I'm worried about it.
Whoa, look at Dennis.
Are you coming back?